Welcome, everyone. Today we're talking about one of the most underrated items sitting in your kitchen right now, baking soda. You might know it as the secret ingredient for fluffy cakes, but did you know it's a game changer for your health, beauty, and even your home? So, grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's explore the 8 powerful benefits of baking soda that can truly transform your daily life. Trust me, you won't look at this white powder the same way again. 1. Baking soda, your natural antacid. Let's start with its health benefits. We all know the discomfort of indigestion, right? That burning sensation in your chest or that bloated feeling after a heavy meal? Baking soda is here to save the day. Here's the science. Baking soda is alkaline, which means it neutralizes stomach acid. When you drink a baking soda solution, it reacts with excess stomach acid to form water, salt, and carbon dioxide. This reaction relieves heartburn and bloating. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 glass of water. Instructions: mix well and sip slowly. But here's a tip: don't overdo it. Too much baking soda can lead to an imbalance in your body's pH. Stick to occasional use, and you'll be good to go. 2. Teeth whitening and oral health. Next up, let's talk about your smile. If you've ever wanted whiter teeth without spending a fortune on whitening products, baking soda is your best friend. It's mildly abrasive, meaning it can scrub away surface stains caused by coffee, tea, or smoking. How to use: apply the paste to your toothbrush and brush gently for 2 minutes. Do this once a week for best results. Baking soda also fights bad breath. Use it as a mouthwash by dissolving a teaspoon in water. Remember, moderation is key. Overusing baking soda on your teeth might wear down enamel, so don't make it a daily habit. 3. Skin soother and exfoliant. Let's move to skincare. Baking soda is like a spa treatment in a box. Its texture makes it an excellent exfoliant for removing dead skin cells, and it's a lifesaver for calming irritated or itchy skin. Exfoliant ingredient: mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water. Massage gently onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse. For irritations, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. It's perfect for bug bites, sunburns, or even razor burns. Just be careful not to use it on broken or overly sensitive skin. 4. The ultimate household cleaner. Now, let's step into the world of cleaning. Did you know baking soda is a natural cleaning powerhouse? It's non-toxic, affordable, and incredibly versatile. Kitchen hero. Sprinkle it on countertops or sinks, then scrub with a damp sponge. Laundry boost. Add 1/2 cup to your laundry for brighter whites and odor-free clothes. Odor buster. Place an open box in your fridge or sprinkle baking soda on carpets before vacuuming. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a cleaner, safer home. 5. A natural deodorant. Have you ever looked at the ingredients on your deodorant and thought, what are these chemicals? Well, baking soda offers a natural alternative. How to use: apply a small amount under your arms for long-lasting freshness. Why it works: baking soda neutralizes odors by balancing pH levels and absorbing moisture. And yes, it's budget-friendly too. A little goes a long way. 6. Boosts athletic performance. Here's one for all the fitness enthusiasts out there. Did you know baking soda can enhance athletic performance? It helps reduce muscle fatigue during high-intensity workouts by buffering the lactic acid buildup in your muscles. Usage: mix 1/4 teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it 30 minutes before a workout. Caution: always consult with a doctor before trying this, especially if you have health conditions. It's like a secret weapon for endurance athletes. 7. Hair care hero. Ever feel like your hair is weighed down by product buildup? Baking soda can help. How to use: add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to your shampoo or dissolve it in water for a clarifying rinse. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair and hello to fresh, clean locks. Follow up with a conditioner to keep your hair hydrated. 8. Foot care and callus removal. Finally, let's not forget our hardworking feet. Baking soda can soften calluses and repair cracked heels. How to use: dissolve 3 tablespoons in a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. For an extra treat, mix baking soda with olive oil for a nourishing foot mask. It's like giving yourself a spa day at home. And there you have it, 8 incredible benefits of baking soda. Go ahead and put baking soda to work in your life. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.